Hello, Mr. Geiselhart here, and we're going to take a look at number 7 on the Chapter 10-11 remediation. So the first thing this is asking for is to find the radius. We're given the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. The circumference here is going to be 6 pi is equal to 2 pi r. Divide by 2 pi, divide by 2 pi. Now, 2 pi's cancel out, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So my radius is going to equal 3. Now, to find the total surface area. Well, if we take the lateral surface area of a cone is just pi times the radius times the slant height, then we find the total, or the area of the base, which is just pi r squared, and we add those two together, and that should give us the total surface area. And it tells me here that the slant height is 5. So all I have to do is do pi times the radius, which is 3, times the slant height, which is 5, and I multiply those together, and when I do that, I'm going to end up with 47.1239. Okay, now to find the area of the base, it's just pi times the radius squared. So 3 squared is 9 times pi, and that's going to give me 28.7 or 2743. Then I just need to add those two together, and when I do that, I'm going to end up with my total surface area of 75.3982. So if I round that to 2 decimal places, 75.398, so that would actually round up to 75.40 is what that would be. So that's going to be my total surface area. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go ahead and take a look at the volume. Well, the volume is just the area of the base, which because it's a circle, it's pi r squared, times the height, and divide that by 3. Now, we don't know the height, so we're going to have to figure that out. Well, I know the bottom here is 3 because that's the radius. I know the slant height is 5, and then I need to find the height. So it's a right triangle, and I can use the Pythagorean theorem. So if I did h squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared, h is going to equal 4. So that means the height is 4. So I'm going to have pi times 3 squared times 4, and then divide that by 3. And when you do that, you're going to end up with 37.6991. When I round that to 2 decimal places, it's going to be 37.6. Or actually, I'm sorry, 37.7. And that will be my answer for the volume.